Hey pack leaders, I want to add two offers for you guys. It's a private Wolfpack trade group where you can talk about your trades, get support from one another, and I'll be able to support you there also. Now, I also have a second one where I will share my trades that I post up. So whatever I do, I'm gonna screenshot that and send it onto that post so you can see yourself and then set those trades up for yourself. Now, if I happen to take profit all of a sudden at 80-20, I will let you guys know that I'm taking profit now. You can do the same, or you can wait for it to hit those rungs, but most likely you should probably take those profits too. But that's just, you want to copy what I do and not really think too much about it. It's very low. It's simple, but not easy, but now I can make it really simple where you just kind of follow it, okay? So I'm gonna put those links below for you to join if you decide to do so and want to get some more support. And then we'll also have another channel here where whenever you take profit, I want you to post those profits up. I want you to make a habit of always taking profit, okay? And in a sense, it will help you encourage others to say, hey, I need to take profit too, and post on there so for others to see. In a sense, we love to brag. We like to say, hey, look what I made today. And then everyone congratulates each other, like, hey, awesome, cool, let me grab some profit too, let me show you guys. But not only grab the screenshot, but actually close the order and take the profit. Okay? Alright, thank you guys. Talk to you then.